Connect your Shopify store to Nihao app. Nihao Dropshipping integrates with Shopify, so you are easy to connect your Shopify store to Nihao Dropshipping. Here are 2 ways to grant your Shopify store access to Nihao app. The first method is to get authorized on Nihao app. Go to nihaodropshipping.com, click the register button at the top right corner of the page, and enter the registration page. Fill in your email, password, and name in the space provided. Click the Sign Up button to finish registration. In Nihao Dropshipping dashboard, you're about to start authorization and select Shopify to authorize your store. Click Start Authorization and click Add App to install Nihao Dropshipping app on your Shopify store. The other method is to install Nihao Dropshipping app directly in your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify account. From your Shopify admin, click Apps and then click Customize your store. The App Store opens up on a new page. You can also access the Shopify App Store directly through apps.shopify.com. Type Nihao Dropshipping in the search bar at the top. Find our app and click on it. On the Nihao Dropshipping app listing page, click Add App, which will redirect you to your Shopify admin. Click the Install App button to authorize the use of the app. Then you have successfully authorized your Shopify store to Nihao app. Nihao allows you to manage multiple Shopify stores under one account. Click Add Authorization to add more stores.